Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare copper vs platinum spark plugs, which is better. Listen as I clearly explain how conductivity, electrode life, and cost affect real-world performance, and how to choose based on driving habits and engine design. I will describe typical service intervals, ignition consistency, and when higher heat tolerance matters, so you can decide the best option for fuel economy, starting, and long-term reliability without technical confusion. I will explain how copper and platinum plugs behave under load, acceleration, and idle, and why spark intensity and gap stability matter for real driving. Expect a friendly rundown comparing ignition timing sensitivity, throttle response, and how electrode wear can slowly change performance. I'll also cover how different engines and modern ignition systems interact with each plug type, and give clear signs to help you judge wear and replacement timing. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, because sensible spending and maintenance go hand in hand, and a good mindset saves you on repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if this helped you decide, now let's get back to the video. I will break down real ownership costs, including part price, labor, and recommended service intervals, so you can see total value over time. This warm, conversational summary helps you weigh cheaper copper plugs with frequent changes against pricier platinum plugs with extended life. We'll cover average mileages, how to factor in labor for plug changes, and simple rules to decide which option reduces costs while keeping reliable starts and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.